So guys, today I'm going to show you how to quickly black out the diffuser area right here. I did this on my 1.5. Very nice subtle look. Definitely gives it a little more aggressive look, and it blends in with the spoiler and the emblems I have here. So I like that. I got it from Cool Tint 604. I'll put the link in the description. Very easy, pre-cut. Let me show you. So here's what you get in the kit. You get this, not really instructions, but it's this, the overlay. Now it's perfectly cut. That fits right in here. Very easy. Now if you can see, it doesn't look shiny. It has a clear overlay on top that you peel off after you're done. Protects the vinyl. But it's really easy. You just want to clean it really well. Okay, and I'll do it in little sections I'll show you. So I'll go ahead and clean that up really well and we'll get started. Really quick, guys. Okay, so I cleaned it. Now pretty much it's just gonna sit in here like that. And like I said, what I like to do is peel the backing off a little section, and then as you go across this whole thing, peel more of the backing. So you don't wanna go ahead and rip the whole backing off the whole piece, because it'll be hard to kind of control it, and then if it hits the ground and picks up dirt and stuff. So just start on the left side here, and I'll show you. Okay, so if you see here what I did, so you have the backing, then I'll just pull some more backing off, and then line that up. And you want to line it up to the top here, and then the bottom part just falls underneath, and then it just kind of tucks down. But like I said, it's pre-cut, so you don't have to trim nothing. No heat gun. Just get it right to this edge so you don't see any silver. And there is a little gap, so if you got it up too much, you can always tuck it between that little plastic trim. Like I said, it's really simple, but it looks really good, I feel. See, there's a little gap there. So, and it'll be a little stiff too, because with that clear overlay on this, it adds thickness, so it's a little stiff. But it helps you place it too, instead of overstretching it. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled the rest off and I worked my way down. As you can see, a little bit on this side, that's fine. It'll tuck under after you pull the clear overlay off. Then you just want to get all the air out before you stick the bottom. That way you can channel all the air out so there's no bubbles in it. And then after you pull the overlay, just go ahead and tuck that in. Okay? So let me show you here. Okay, so here you see the clear piece. So now you're just going to go ahead and pull that clear piece off. And then again, you're going to work if there's any air in there, just work that out. Okay, so I'll go ahead and start pulling that clear piece off. Okay, here's what you got. So then same thing, pull a little bit. You can pull this up if you need to. Use your finger, it's all you need. Take that air out. It's a thin piece, so you can either go up or down to get the air out of it. And then when you have it where you want, just continue going all the way down with it. And then the bottom way to last, you just tuck that right underneath. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish that up. So here's what it looks like, the final product. I think it looks really good. See, it goes right inside there. There's no bubbles in it. And you just tuck the stuff underneath that. There's maybe a 1/4 inch it goes underneath, and that's it. So really nice. It's subtle. Like I said, I have 2 diffusers that I'm still going to install. I don't know what kind, but I'm going to do this for a little bit, and then I'll show you guys the other 2 I have. And they're big pieces of plastic that bolts on underneath, add some fins to it. But let me go ahead and pull this outside and you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so check that out. Like I said, it's real subtle. Looks really good though. And you can get matte black if you want, and they also have carbon fiber, so depending on what you guys want to do. So I feel it looks really good. Gives it a little sporty look, and it should take you about 20 minutes to do. And if you don't like it, you can always take it back off. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. I'll help you out. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.